Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss output hardwares. And before this, I have discussed input hardwares. Now we are going to discuss output hardware. So what is output hardware? Let's see in next few slides. These are devices which shows or print information in a form which can easily be understood by human, like letters, audio, sound, number, image, and video. So these are devices which shows data on screen or printed papers. Normally, it converts the binary data into human understandable format, which is processed by processor. So basically, when we input data from input devices, so our data is converted into binary form to input devices. That binary form data is processed by the processor. It converts into, it performs some processing as per requirements, and then sent to output devices through RAM, and output devices reconvert into human understandable form so we can understand easily. Following are the output devices normally we use: monitor, printer, speaker, and headphones. This is the pictures related to some output devices. In this you have seen plotters, projector. Projector is part of monitor, plotter is part of printer, and headphone, monitor, and speaker. So these are some output devices which are being used by computers. Moving to next slide. Output hardwares. Monitor. The first one is monitor. It is a visual display device or screen which shows information like picture or image and video in an electronic form to the user. So all of us aware about that device very much. This output hardware is connected with CPU and shows data from memory in real time. Real time in what is going on, it shows data. Using this device, user can interact with CPU and can give command to computer and can also run various programs. So throughout monitor, we can run different programs because it is an interactive device through which we give command to the CPU and CPU performs such command. Then it again shows result on screen. So whatever we are doing that, whatever we are inputting that, it is being shown on screen. There are two types of monitor. CRT monitor. These are the old monitor. Now it has been obsoleted. Flat panel in these monitors being used today are present. So in this you find LCD or LED types of monitor. There are other flat panel, but normally we use in computer technology LCD or LED. Moving to next slide. So these are left side is CRT monitor and right side LCD monitor or flat panels. So as CRT monitor is already it has been used, it has been obsoleted, but we have used for longer period of times. But it has been replaced by LCDs. So basically CRT monitor takes a lot of space, consume a lot of powers, and heavy, difficult to move from one place to another place. Takes a lot of space, and there are very few varieties of CRT monitor available. But nowadays we are using LCD or LED monitor. So it has replaced the CRT use of CRT monitor. LCD comes in a variety of size from thumbnail to a wall size screen, and it has replaced LCD, even replaced by LED technology, but both are same, just but only structure or technology different, but both are the part of flat panels. So moving to next slide. Output hardware. Printers. A printer is a kind of output hardware which print data on any size of paper. So if you want a printed data, you need to have a printer. So whatever we have produced in our computer using MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other software, if you want to have in a hard copy output, so you need to have a printer. It accepts data from a computer in any format like text, graphics, images, etc., and convert to user understandable format and then print on paper. So hard copy output is printed by printers. There are three types of printer available, like impact, it is non-impact and plotters. Printer come in various sizes with different speed and cost. It's depend on you which kind of printer you want, like impact printer, non-impact printer, or either you want plotters. These three types of printer has different uses as per requirement, and it has different speed and cost. Following are the example of printer like inkjet printer normally used at home or offices. LaserJet is being replaced the inkjet printer also, but it is also using in offices and home. Plotters. Plotter used for large print. It is used by industries or commercial purpose. So these are two types of printer, like impact printer and non-impact printer. Left side is the impact printer. Impact printer is very noisy but slow. It's used for draft printing, rough printing, but very low cost. Its operational cost is very much low. And then we have a non-impact printer like inkjet or laserjet. These are its operation cost is very expensive. Purchase cost is low, but utilization cost is very high. It is noiseless printers. They have no. They are silent printers. That's why we call it non-impact printer. Okay, moving to next slide. Output hardware. Speaker. It is an output device which provides or generates sound or voice in a form which can be easily understandable by humans. So speaker converts digital data into human understandable form in the form of voice, so which we can understand. It is connected with sound card which produce signal to generate sound or voice. When we speak through mic, then our voice which moves in analog form, the circuit board connect with mic convert our voice into digital form. This point is already discussed in mic, but again I'm discussing that. Whenever we speak through mic, our voice is basically in the analog form. It moves to analog form, received by mics, and mic is connected with the circuit board. That circuit board convert our voice into electrical form or digital form, which is understandable by the computer. This digital form is processed and sent to speaker sound card, which again convert binary coded data into user understandable form, that is the sound we hear. So let's see another in next slide how it does in pictorial form. So you can see students here, digital signal sent from computer, which already received by mic, and this for a process. So this digital is sent to DAC, converts digital data to analog. Sound card is the DAC in this example. So it converts in analog form, and this analog form is heard by our ears. Converted analog data received by speaker and turned into sound. So with that we can understand sound or voice. Okay, moving to next slide. So these are the speakers. Some example of speakers you can see. Output hardware. Headphone. Headphone is an output hardware which come in a pair of small speakers and which are used for listening to sound or music from a computer. Headphone is another kind of speaker, but it also comes with the mic. So you can say it has input and output, both devices at a time. It has also mic which is used to speak with computer, and that will listen from headphone. It is consisted of one speaker for each ear, which is used to hear voice or sound from computer. Basically, it is used in the replacement of speaker. Speaker louds this voice and is heard by everyone, but using headphone only individual can listen whatever is processed in computer, what is playing on computer. So these are some example of headphone without mic and with mic. This is the, thank you students. This is the end of lecture. Have a nice day. See you next lectures.